attendees to hear you. This system will notify you once you begin your broadcast.
Right, so
The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
That will go against a lot of my losers this week. Personal portfolio has been a rough week. Push notification. Let me log in. Personal portfolio. Let me see if I have to crank that sound up. Should be good here on the sound. Let me try something. All right, let's see if that's better. Exit in Caesars. Sell all Caesar. 8/23, 2024. These are, I want to get the right strike here. 36.5 puts for 80 cents. Paid 55. Trade is over. It's over now. So that is good. And then in this, we'll be out of this. Okay. So S&P versus my P&L. I actually tweaked out a little bit of a gain yesterday. I had that big day on Monday where I made $3,250. Down 470 on Monday or Tuesday. Up 150 yesterday. And today, that's 260. That's 400. And that's roughly 350. So 50. I'm down about 570 today. Is that correct? Down about 570 today? Nope. Down about 400 today. So I'm down about 400 today. So we'll add that in here. Futures up 2. Negative 400. If that Mara flips around, we'll get my P&L back. Yesterday I was down in the morning too, and then Mara flipped, and then I ended up making money. For the week, time decay is, kind of been hard for me, but up 25.50 for the week. So it's been a good week. RSI, none today. Alpha Shark, a bunch of positions are going to go to zero. So unfortunately, these weekly options just we haven't seen stocks moving their ATR, and it's just hurt. So Pfizer is going to go to zero. This is Rivian's going to go to zero, and then KSS is going to go to zero. So thankfully we got the nice trade in Caesars and that nice trade in CLSK, but it's been a rough week for personal portfolio. And if you guys have personal portfolio or something else, like I can't predict rhyme or reason when something makes money or something doesn't. I believe every signal that I take will make money. Obviously that's not realistic, but personal portfolio has had a rough week. Alpha Shark, we're still in Siri calls. Those I have an offer out at 22. I have a bid in at 10. Looks like they're back to 15 here, so maybe they're unchanged. And then we still have Riot calls on. Riot calls are down again today. Riot and Mara has been a little tough here. They're down about 13. So 2 open positions. Alpha Shark has been absolutely kicking ass. Excuse my language. 24 of the last 26 trades have been winners. So it's been really good lately on Alpha Shark. 24 of the last 28 trades have been winners. Alpha Shark Plus. Riot is still on. TDS is still on. And then we had Cisco. We almost hit a profit target in Cisco, but we didn't today. So TDS is basically unchanged. And then Cisco is up to about 40 maybe. I have a target of 52. So Alpha Shark Plus, another winning portfolio. Every portfolio we run, guys, is up money year to date. And you could lose money maybe in a day, maybe in a week. But every portfolio is up year to date. That's the only thing that really matters. So Alpha Shark Plus. SPO, no current positions on. Like I said, I tried to sell that Tesla call spread. That would have been nice. The 225, 227.5 call spread for 120 credit. Right now, that'd be a 100% winner. So Tesla, LMT, I paid $480 for those yesterday. Let's see where those are today. Worth $460. So LMT is still on for Super Option Plus. 10 out of 10. APO is still on, and Mara is still on. Mara was a winner yesterday. Now it's coming back down as a loser. It's 55 here, so in Mara, I have it at 55. 10 out of 10, 4 straight winning trades. 6 of 9 trades have been winners. We just started this portfolio 2 weeks ago. We're already up 264%. I do have a possibility of a trade too lined up for 10 out of 10 too that we haven't sent. Weekly A10 Money Machine. We have 2 this week. KSS right now, that is a loser. It'd be worth 85, so that'd be a 50% loser, 100% loser. And Norwegian would be a winner. Lately, Alpha Shark Super Option Plus in 10 out of 10 has been the hottest, quote unquote. Always things fluctuate. You can't always predict when some things are going to be good or not. But right now, the hottest ones, I would say, is 10 out of 10, Superior Option Plus, and Alpha Shark. So those are all the portfolios. That's what we have. And we'll kind of come back and see what's going on. Macy's down. Pfizer's down. I have a lot of red on my screen. You know, Peloton was not an official signal. It's something just for the room. WBD June 20th. Next week, 10 calls. Next year, 10 calls. That's weird. 10 soils in trade here. That's a long time away. WBD 6/20/2025. 10 calls. Trading 75 cents here. Wild. It's wild. Next year. The next year calls. Macy's on 15-bit under the market. We're going to take a poll in a minute. Well, I'll take a poll in the second session here. What you think the market's going to do between now and the end of the day. So took off Caesars today. Caesars. 5 minutes ago, then we'll take you through the next portion of the day. Now futures moving up a little bit. Now I want the market to move up. Now I want the market higher. Cisco only up 7 cents. 7 cents. Zoom, nothing. I think we saw calls like 3 weeks ago, but Zoom up $7. Zoom up $7. Bought some BILL calls. Spreads for earnings. Oh, I didn't get filled in BILL. Sorry, I did not get filled. Bill Holdings. I thought I got filled at 26. I did not get filled. I apologize. Siri calls are up to 17, 18 now. That's just a volatility thing. Like, I don't need to look at Siri ever, to be honest. Like, the stock has such a low ATR. I really don't need to look at anything. But I have my offer out, and I have my bid in. If I get filled at a dime, I'd love to have more at a dime. I'd love more at a dime. I'd love to sell them at 22. Two minutes to go, guys, and we'll take you through the next portion of the day. We have a bonus session. The bonus session with more AK time. Let's do Tuesday. What day do I not have a golf lesson? Let's do Wednesday at 3 o'clock. Is that Eastern? All right, guys. So